Hey folks, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix account locked for 24 hours on Monopoly Go. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can simply come to your Monopoly Go application and then log in into your account. After that, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen and then go to settings. In the settings, you need to select the customer service option, and here among these articles, you just have to tap on any of these. Now you need to tap on the associated article, and here you just have to select this chat option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you just have to provide the details regarding your account logged to them, and then the Monopoly Go customer support executive is going to help you in this regard. Now, if you are not able to get access to your account, and if you are not able to get access to this section as well, then what you can do is you can simply contact them on their Facebook page, and there you can tag them, and you can even contact them via their various social media handles, as you can see over here. So you can go to any of these, and from here you can seek help from them. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.